Marami pa rin ang nagugutom sa Pilipinas. Sa datos
Nasa 3 milyong pamilyang Pilipino ang nakaranas ng kagutuman o
Mahal na nga ang bilihin, dumami pa ang nagugutom. Patunay daw niyan ang lumabas sa pinakahuling survey ng Social Weather Station kung saan umakyat ng higit 12% ang mga nagsasabing nakaranas sila ng pagkagutom sa nakalipas na 3 buwan.
Have you ever wondered what it feels like to go to bed with an empty stomach? Not once, but almost every night.
Hunger isn't a distant idea, it's a daily struggle.
Today, we are talking about Sustainable Development Goal 2, Zero Hunger, a global mission to ensure that everyone, everywhere has access to safe, nutritious, and sufficient food.
Right now, hunger remains one of the biggest challenges we face. According to the United Nations SGD report of 2023, over 735 million people face chronic hunger in 2022. And it's not just about not having enough food, hunger is also about inequality. Many farmers who grow our food still struggle to feed their own families. Rural communities, children, and low-income households are hit the hardest. According to the Social Weather Station Survey 2023, in the Philippines, around 3.5 million families experience involuntary hunger at least once in 2023. This tells us just one thing. Hunger isn't about a global issue. It's happening right now, here in our country.
Hunger affects everything. A child who doesn't eat enough cannot focus in school. An adult who works while hunger cannot perform fully. A community suffering from hunger cannot progress. Ending hunger also means improving health, supporting farmers, protecting the environment, and building strong economies. When people are nourished, they can learn better, work better, and live with dignity. And here's something inspiring. Achieving zero hunger is possible, but it requires all of us, like government, communities, businesses, and schools, and individuals to care enough to take action.
You don't need to be wealthy or powerful to make a difference. Start small. Support local farmers by buying local products. Reduce food waste by planning meals wisely and saving leftovers. Even sharing extra food with neighbors makes an impact. You can also volunteer in community kitchens, school feeding programs, or food drives. Join organizations that help fight hunger. Speak up online, educate others. And most importantly, practice mindful eating. Every piece of food you save is a step toward a hunger-free community.
Let's make that future real. Let's take action today, because a real world without hunger begins with us.
A future where no child sleep hungry, where farmers are supported, where food is valued, not wasted.
Zero hunger isn't just a dream. It's a future we can build together.
Support SDG 2 Zero Hunger.